Alright guys, so what does it mean for a demand curve to shift? So last video's already talked about what it means for a demand curve to move along a demand curve. That's responding to changes in price. So a change in price, we already talk about, that's already captured in the demand curve. The demand curve says for any given price, what would then be the quantity you would be willing to buy? Already taken into account. Nothing to do with moving this curve. The curve explains that. So what would it mean for the demand curve to say shift out? Well, what that's saying is that for the same price, I'm willing to actually buy more all of a sudden. Or you could think of it as suddenly I'm willing to pay more for the same quantity. Doesn't matter. It's still the same shift in the curve. And what would cause this? Well, this means that I've changed how much I value the good, or I've changed how much I have. So this is, hey, suddenly I realize actually I love chocolate that much more. I'm willing to pay more for the same amount, or for any given price, I'm willing to buy more. Either way, so we'd say, hey, it shifts to the right because for any given price, I'm willing to buy more chocolate. Or maybe suddenly I've become rich and I have loads of income, and therefore I'm willing to spend more to get the chocolate. So shifts in demand curves are going to be caused by things like changes in income or changes in preferences, broadly speaking. There's also about changes in prices in other goods, but we're going to mention that another time. This is what we mean when we're talking about shifts in